A very good morning to all of you. Justice Suryakant, Justice Pankaj Mittal, judges of the Honorable Supreme Court, the Union Law Minister Meghwalji, the Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court, Justice Bansali, the Bar Council Chairman, Mr. Manan Kumar Mishra, Justice Tarun Agarwal, Justice, Sri Rajvanshi and Sri Santosh Tripathi, who have carried this memorial committee on their shoulders. It is with great joy and enthusiasm that we have gathered today to discuss the need and the scope for judicial reforms in the context of the present problems faced by the judicial system of the country. I take this opportunity to say that I really feel proud to be the president or the chairman of this committee, though the work is being done by Justice Tarun Agarwal, Santosh Tripathi and Rajvanshi and the members of the executive committee. Keeping memories alive, however great the person is, difficult, very difficult. But I believe that so long the Indian judicial system exists, and why should it not exist? It's the backbone of our democracy. The name of Pandit Kanhaiyalal Mishra will remain immortal. If Bombay is the commercial capital of India and Delhi the administrative capital, I say Allahabad is the judicial capital of the country. "80 districts, about 4,000 courts, 160 High Court judges. Though in terms of area, it is the fourth largest area, state of the country. Chief Justice Bansali, your state is the largest in area. It has 33 districts. UP is the fourth largest state in terms of area. It has 80 districts. Now, why I say this is I think Allahabad, with 160 seats in the High Court and 4,000 seats in the lower judiciary, is an ideal laboratory, a very big laboratory, for experimenting the reforms that the Indian judicial system needs to solve its problems. And I think the problem is one: pendency. A little while ago, I passed on a piece of paper to the Chief Justice asking how many cases are listed before a judge every day in the Allahabad High Court. The figure seems to be, fresh cases between 50 to 200, and then maybe 200 more in the additional list. Meghwalji, sir, जज भी इंसान है. Suryakant ji, you're going to be the Chief Justice in November, not very far off. you'll have a tenure of over a year. Do something about it. Allahabad, whether the problem of Allahabad High Court, with its nearly 8 to 10 lakhs of cases, can be solved by 160 judges, perhaps not. But today, you have 80. I think one honorable judge is going to retire either today or tomorrow. And then one more honorable judge is going to retire day after. I think the memorial committee, I would like to take self-credit for it. The memorial committee, you must give full marks for bringing the executive, Meghwalji, the judiciary, Justice Suryakant, Justice Pankaj Mittal, and the Chief Justice, Justice Vansali, and the bar together. As retired people, me and Justice Tarun Agarwal, we have brought you together. We have brought you to the negotiating table. Settle it. I don't think the problem is insurmountable. It is perfectly capable of solution. Beyond this, I wouldn't like to say anything on the topic, because that's really for the persons concerned to evolve and develop it. But one thing I say is, after my retirement and boldly stepping into public life, there is one question I face wherever I go. Be it the parliament, be it to a village in India, be it to a district court. Sir, why do courts take so much of time? I regret to say I don't have an answer. But my further regret is, as the Chief Justice of India for 13 months, I could do nothing about it. I hope the Chief Justices who are going to come together with the Law Minister, Meghwalji, and the government, and of course the bar, where you have a very dynamic person, Manan Mishra, will be able to solve this problem of arrears. I think we would be more interested in hearing Meghwalji, Justice Suryakant, Justice Pankaj Mittal, and the Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court. So I leave the field open for them. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind.